I go. I go in the water after 30 years. Man, why you throw a cup inside? Ah, this is crap. Anyways. Yes. It is very cold. This is not for swimming. It is really cool.
Hey guys, hey friends, welcome back. So right now we're at Splashmins. I think this is up the Soesdijk Linden Highway. As soon as you make the left at the junction, it's like 15 minutes up. We are at the place called Splashmins now, and you know, it's been around forever, and it's a really nice place, and they're doing a lot more developments right now. So check out the scene. I did some interviews with some people, and if you're in Guyana, definitely a place to check out. Alright, sit back, relax, and enjoy Splashmins.
So this Monday, I don't know, 12 US time, 1 o'clock Guyana time, so don't think it's that busy, which is perfect. You get a whole thing to yourself. Usually back in the days, usually I get glass bottle at the bottom of the creek, but this one here feels kind of clean, so hopefully it stays like this. But in any case, I see this. Don't like it. They gotta clean this up. Maybe in the afternoon after it closes, they clean up. But anyways, we're gonna go down in the back. It looks like this is parking, the sitting area. I don't know what that is. We'll figure it out. That's a bar, volleyball, and I don't know what's going on all the way in the back. But let me go and check it out, man. Let me go check it out. Hello, how are you?
Good, how about you?
Good, good, man. This is the bar and the restaurant. Really nice. Huh? No, I'm okay. So out here, hey Pooh, out here is a little bit hotter than, I guess, Georgetown. It's definitely a little bit warmer here. Splashmins. Hello security, how we doing? Alright, man. Oh, we could take a tour. Looks like a boat thing we could do. Hey Pooh, you know do a boat thing? Oh, scores, buddy. Don't really know, you could do the boat thing, and I'm going to check it. Let me show you all the boat. Let me show you all the boat. This boat is about for days. 10 people capacity. Get speedboat. I don't really understand any of this stuff, but if you jump in here, where are you gonna go? You're gonna take a ride over there, or wait, this is no swimming in here. Or you go down here. It seems locked. But what a view. So here now, I leave in all of the high quality stills on a link below, where you get the whole Guyana trip, and you know, you could download it, use as you like. But it's very picturesque. It's nice. The black water is second to none. I won't lie about for days. But I like the tree line. It's pretty good. But I want to see what we could do with the boat, and how far are we gonna go with the boat, you know. So, and check it out. If we go over there, we could bounce on the, I don't know where we're going. So I could take a. Hey, Pooh. Pooh. Let's take a walk up there. I'm not really sure what's up there though. Here now. If y'all don't see me come back, just wait longer. You see, I always know you want to kill me. I'm gonna drop my slipper and come back. Yeah, you see this man? You see this man?
How life can get better than this?
How
here,
can
man?
life get better than this?
Life can, life can. Hey,
How you doing?
Welcome. Doing fantastic, man.
You welcome too.
Welcome to Guyana. Welcome home, right?
Okay, yes,
You
welcome.
enjoying your stay so far?
Yeah, man. So far, it's really good. No complaints. The only thing I really like is the breeze. The breeze.
You love the breeze?
The breeze.
What
is,
about the water over there?
I'm going now.
Good.
I'm going now. I did some, but I want to take a walk around here. I don't know what's around here.
But it's the lake, basically.
But all the way around
Yeah.
the houses.
Yeah, it's the lake. It brings you back over that side.
Oh, by the thing.
Yes, it brings you all the way around.
Okay.
Have fun, man.
I'll go and then we'll catch up in like 5 minutes.
No problem, brother.
All right, Danny.
Yes.
I leave Danny with y'all in good hands.
Welcome.
My stick is bigger than yours.
I just went thinking the same thing. Oh, look. If you look closely, you could see the fish. Right? If you look closely, you could definitely see the fish. Oh, look over there. What kind of fish they in here? Seriously? No, they're small. Is that cockabelly in here, right? Look, they're all there.
Where?
Over there. That is cockabelly.
Oh.
All right. Oh man, the creek is the creek. What a beautiful day. Checking out the construction, having a couple of drinks with some good friends, family, and checking out the rest of the compound. So this is Splashmins Park. I don't know exactly the details. I know you can't pass it. This is the villas. They say the water has this set of water has animals inside, but the water is protected, so you're safe when you come. But you guys got to get here. We come on a Monday, so I'm sure it gets crazy on the weekends and holidays, but they're doing a lot of renovations. You know, come and support Splashmins. This is nice, man. This is paradise in Guyana. Granted, Guyana is paradise, right? You understand? But, and I think, right, over there is more developments. They're making housing, they're making everything else they're doing. And I don't know the details because I don't know. There's no plan, there's no board, but they're building. So why showing you now might not be there, might be built up by the time you come. But I'm telling you, come early. And this is the stop sign for the villas them. So security, safety, hello, how are you? And this security check, so we can't go beyond there, and that's the entrance. But I wonder what they're building over there. Hello, how are you? You guys know what's building over there? Over there, yeah. No? Say it again? Okay, security. Okay, they would know.
Play. No play.
Okay. Gracias. Question. ¿A dónde vas? Venezuela? Bien. Bye. I think a dónde vas is where you're from. I don't really know. But so they're from Venezuela. Look, the beautiful homes they're building here. I guess these are apartments if you want to overnight, you know. Top cat. Sheesh. Yeah, man. So we bunker right in here and check it out. So, hola, ¿cómo estás? How you doing?
All right.
Everything good?
Yeah.
You never could tell, right? Oh, question. What exactly is this? Is this like apartments you can rent, or condos, or hotels?
It's supposed to be an office.
Oh, this is office.
Yeah.
But this is?
It's a hotel.
This is hotel. Bro, you know what could happen when this build out and people could stay here for the night? Man, this would be great because this is ocean, you know, like the ocean side or the creek side.
Quick thing.
And would you know what's going on over there?
Well, it's almost
Same?
The Lakers.
Oh, they're building another lake?
Yeah.
No way, bro. Wow. And they probably put in more hotels maybe?
I don't know what is their plan. But
Oh, gotcha.
yeah, sometimes when they move to a hotel and they say that
The bridge, could we access the bridge now or no?
Well, the bridge is. You could talk to the security.
No, it's not serious. I just gonna stroll and check out the bridge if it's fine, but I guess they're doing construction so we can't go.
Yeah.
And over there?
Well, there's people think they occupy and on building them houses and things.
Oh, yeah. So I see over there, right? The villas.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is nice. Is that rental or people buy it?
People buy the land.
Jeez, bro. It's crazy.
Building them home.
Yeah, this part is great.
Yeah.
This part is
It's
great.
nice.
Man, I could only imagine like what
Yeah.
this will look like if you build another lake. That's got to be a lake because there's a bridge.
Yeah, there's a bridge over there.
And then when this finish, man, it's gonna look good.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Thank you for your time, man.
Yeah. All right.
Later. Yeah. Hola. How are you? So this office building in here. I ain't going, but I just want to show y'all office building in here. This is Splashmins, and this is a hotel. Big developments going on in Guyana every mile. Big developments, not even a joke. It's the place to be. Splashmins is the place to be. Good afternoon, how are you doing?
Okay.
I just enjoying Splashmins, and you know, I only have 2 more nights. Actually no, tonight is the last night, then I gotta fly out. But I'm enjoying.
Hotel?
No man, States.
Oh, say come here today.
3 days, for 3 days. I come Thursday night, Friday night.
You're in the hotel?
No, by my brother-in-law.
Oh, say,
East Coast.
visit here today.
Yes, today. I like what I see.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
I like what I
Well,
see.
at least if you're in there, you could catch it. To show them what Splashmins look like.
I could show them what Guyana look like. I haven't been back here. Adrian.
Yeah, it's Mahabir.
Mahabir.
Yeah,
Oh man.
yeah.
Guyana nice.
Guyana nice.
Guyana nice
and
bad. Jeez.
Guyana nice and rich.
Rich?
And
Too
nice.
rich. Yeah. But I like how everybody building.
Yeah,
You know, everybody building.
yeah,
The building here. If you see the bridge, the building there.
yeah.
Sheesh.
You went down to the bridge and so on?
I can't go down to the bridge. It's like I gotta go through security, and
Yeah.
I ain't want to go through security.
No, you just ask the security there, tell them you is a
As a tourist from overseas.
Yes, and
Trying
they
to
know you, I think so.
I'm gonna knock them.
Yeah, tell them you're from America and you're
Yeah.
enjoying the place and you like to just
Yeah.
view the place and show the people in America what we're looking like in Guyana.
Looking good, bro. Looking good. We went, Skeldon,
Uh-huh.
beyond Skeldon, all the way down to where they're building new bridge to Suriname yesterday.
Yeah, oh,
Molson Creek.
there's a hotel here.
You know when it'll be done?
This,
Almost.
yeah, we got 3 more hotels at the back there.
You're
1, 2,
joking.
Look, 1, 2, 3. We've got every day, we got weekend package here. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
We got bonfire Friday night.
No
We got
way.
beach dinner Saturday night with karaoke. We got soca boat ride. We got
So how you get on that boat?
We got a step for get on the boat.
But where does it go? Does it go all the way?
right way around, all the way around the creek. From back
Sheesh.
till the side, with
Yeah.
the creek pass under the bridge.
Yeah.
So you travel all the way around through the creek, come around there on a
Bro,
ride, and you got a better view of the place.
you come here, you don't have to go anywhere.
Here me live.
Where you live?
You live right here. Me walk and live right here.
Like there?
No, I living over there.
Over
Behind there's a conference center there.
Yeah, there's a conference center.
Yeah.
And behind here is a village.
No, there we live in. All is one compound.
It's one compound.
Yes.
I can
Now-
see.
Now we opening housing scheme over there.
Yes, yeah. Over there's houses came.
You see there's house lot there. People don't buy and people building there.
How people buy the? How
We
can I
sell-
buy the?
You talk to the boss right here.
Where the boss there?
Come.
Jesus, let me. There's a reason why I come meet you. What's the boss name, by the way? Just be
Mr. John.
Mr. John. Okay, fine. Let's go talk to Mr. John.
Yeah.
We're going to meet Mr. John. Good afternoon, fellas. How you doing?
Yeah, what happened?
All right. Sun hot, man. Sun hot. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Oh, man. What a beautiful place. So I think this is the Suzdijk Linden Highway.
I couldn't show you guys
That's
what
new
the map
developments.
is, but basically they're building maybe not 100 or 200 homes in that area all the way in the back. They're gonna continue the same villas and everything that you've seen. They're gonna build out the lake, the man-made lake, the snakes all the way around, and then they're gonna build homes to wrap all the way around the lake. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'm gonna go back to Guyana in another year or so just to check it out. Thank you.